Hi, everybody. It's Tereese. I wanted to come back and share my altered playing cards for Deck the Year. I wanted to do a recap of all the cards I made this year for 2024. Penny is continuing on her open collaboration this year to time cards and index cards, which I love index cards, and I think that's the way I'm going to go. So let's recap on my cards. So this is week 1. Isn't that cool? I did a 2024 New Year's Eve kind of card. This is week 2. Very vintage, very me. This is week 3. And I'm not going to go into too much detail other than, oh my gosh, what happened to my, I'm going to have to glue that back on. Okay. This is week 4 with a little dragonfly. And then week 5, I did 2 cards. I did a playing card. This is a playing card. Well, but they're both playing cards. This is a flashcard card. This is a playing card. So I did both of these. And then week 6 is another Valentine's Day card. And then this is week 7. It's it's a pocket with a playing card, an altar playing card in there. I love that. That one was really cool. Lots of fun to do. This is week 8, February 22nd. Love how this one's really sturdy. I think there's 2 here. This is week 9. This is week 10. This is week 11. This is week 12. I love this doll. And then this is week 13. I started adding these little not tabs, they're labels that I punched out. So this is week 13. It's a little Easter one. 13. And then this is week 14. This is week 15. This is a napkin in the background. This is week, what was this one? 15, right? 15. This is week 16. This is week 17. I have a little tab with a charm. And it says good times ahead. I just really love that one. What is this one? This was 17, right? 17. This is week 18. 18. This is week 19. Week 19. This is week 20. I love looking back and seeing what I created. This is week 21. I love this one. This one's really sparkling. 21. This is 22. This is week 22. Kind of a shabby 22. And then this is week 23. Okay, and then This one was a summer 24, right? Yeah, week 24. And then this is week 25, kind of a beach theme. This is 26. This is a fabric flower that I think my friend Nada gave me. That was 26. And then this one is 27. And then this one is 28. And this one is 29. This has a pocket. So cute. 29. This one is week 30. This one is week 31. Put it down a little bit so you can see it better. That's 31. Ooh. 31. 31. This one's week 32. This one is week 33. Oof, 33. This one is week 34. It says my mornings start with coffee. Little kind of tab. I just love that look. 34. And then this one is week 35. It's more of a tag. 35. Gosh, this is 36. This is 37. This one's 38. This one's 39. This is week 40. This is week 41. Can we start getting into the fall because it's October 10th? And I started doing Halloween. This is week 42. Then week 43. This is week 44. Oh, my button came off. I'm going to have to fix that. There's a button right here. This is week 45. This one, oh, there's so many favorites. I'm not sure. 45. This is week 46. This is week 47. That. And then this one is week 48. This one is 49 with the, isn't that cute? Love that with the little cardinal. That was 49, right? 49. And then this is week 50. And then here is week 52. really cool. 52, and the last one I did was this one. Oh my God. I love looking back at all my cards. Look at them all. So I want to thank Penny one more time for a great open collaboration. I can't wait for January and for 2025. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great New Year's, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.